Welcome to Johor Bahru, where the past and present stand side by side. In the heart of the bustling city, surrounded by modern buildings and busy streets, stands one of Johor Bahru's most important cultural landmarks, the Kuil Kuno Johor, better known as the Johor Bahru Old Chinese Temple, or Ru Fo Gu Miao. Dating back to the 1870s, this temple is among the oldest surviving structures in the city. It was established through the efforts of prominent Chinese community leaders, including Kapitan China Tan Hiok Ni and members of the influential Ni Heng organization. The temple's construction was made possible with the support of Sultan Abu Bakr of Johor, who granted the land and fostered strong ties with Johor's growing Chinese community. Despite the modern skyline that now surrounds it, the temple remains a striking example of traditional southern Chinese architecture. Its curved roof lines, intricate carvings, colorful ornamentation, and carefully crafted details have been preserved through several restorations, including a major renovation completed in 1995. Among its treasured relics is a bronze bell bearing the year 1875, along with historic incense burners and wooden tablets that have witnessed generations of worshippers for more than a century and a half. But what makes the Johor Bahru Old Chinese Temple truly unique is its role as a symbol of unity. For generations, the temple has served as a shared spiritual center for Johor Bahru's 5 major Chinese communities: the Teochew, Hokkien, Cantonese, Hakka, and Hainanese groups. Together, these communities played a vital role in the development of the city, and the temple became a lasting symbol of cooperation and mutual respect. Today, it remains at the heart of Johor Bahru's Chinese cultural heritage. Visitors and devotees alike come here to offer prayers, seek blessings, and connect with traditions that have been passed down through the generations. The temple is also closely associated with the annual Johor Chingai Festival, one of the city's most vibrant cultural celebrations, showcasing the rich heritage and unity of Johor Bahru's Chinese community. Amid the rapid growth and modernization of Johor Bahru, the temple offers a rare sense of calm, a place where history, faith, and culture continue to thrive. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an admirer of architecture, or simply looking for a quiet moment in the city, the Johor Bahru Old Chinese Temple is well worth a visit. More than just an ancient place of worship, it is a living monument to the resilience, unity, and enduring spirit of Johor Bahru.